Hi Shark, my name is Ayala Solomon and I am from Sonoma, California. My company is the Honey Wine Company, producers of Be Define, and I'm seeking for $750,000 for 2% of my business. For centuries, people from all over the world have been enjoying the world's oldest alcoholic beverage. It's made from a simple, sustainable, naturally sweet ingredients. That was a honey. That's alright, it's called honey wine. Ethiopia, where I was born, is the largest honey wine drinking country in the world. Commonly referred to as meat, I have a perfect formula. So every sip of Be Defines help save our endangered bees and promotes a permanent change for thousands of beekeeping households and forests around the world. Ultra smooth and fragrant Be Defines is produced in small batches from just 2 ingredients. Yeah, that was a raw local honey and pure spring water. When you sip Be Define, you'll experience depth of taste, the taste of exotic floral nectars dancing on your plate. I love that, and I am ready. I have spent years studying environmental economics, and from that perspective, I see the next most vital market potential in the world. That was in Indonesia. Certainly, here is the concise summary of Be Define's expansions plan from Indonesia, focusing on impact and strategies adaptation. Shark, with this investment, we are talking Be Define to Indonesia is a crucial market for both to biodiversity and premium growth core strategy. So the strategy is, in the dual city entry, we are targeting Jakarta as an economic hub in Indonesia and Bali as a premium lifestyle center in Indonesia. That was our potential city for Be Define. Now, the second strategy is mission and branding. Every bottle is positioned as a drinkable sustainability report, linking consumer to global bee conservation missions. Local adaptation is a key of differentiator. We will launch the exclusive Be Define Nusantara Reserve variant, of course with a halal label. And the third strategy is this product will use indigenous Indonesian honey, like honey, a forest honey, coffee honey, to create a unique flavor profile and very delicious for Indonesian people, because our biggest consumer in Indonesia is Indonesian people. Well, thank you, Zach. Goodbye.